In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Loom. Linking your booking page directly from a Loom video is a simple way to turn viewers into meetings without any back and forth. We'll walk through getting your Google Calendar booking link, opening your Loom video, and placing that link where viewers will actually see and use it. Start by opening Google Calendar. You'll either create a new booking link or copy one you already have. If you use Google's appointment schedules, click Create, choose Appointment Schedule, and set the basics. A clear title, your meeting duration, and your available days and hours. Add your preferred meeting location, such as Google Meet, and review any buffer or minimum notice you want. When you save, look for the Share button on the schedule and copy the booking page link. If you already have a schedule set up, just open it and copy its booking link. The key is to end up with a simple URL that anyone can click to pick a time. Next, open the Loom video where you want people to book with you. You can do this from your Loom library or right after recording. Make sure you're on the video's page so you can edit the details and interact with comments. Now add your booking link to the video description. Find the description box under or beside the video title. Paste your link and add a clear call to action so viewers know exactly what it's for. Keep it short and direct, like book a time here, your Google Calendar link. Placing this at the very top of the description helps it stay visible across devices. You can also place the same message in the video comments. Post a comment with the link, and if the option is available, pin it so it stays at the top. Many viewers glance at comments before descriptions, so repeating the link there increases the chances they'll click. Before you share the video, click the link yourself to test it. Confirm the booking page loads, shows the right times, and is set to your correct time zone. Also make sure your Loom video's share settings allow your audience to view the video and see its description and comments without signing in. That's it. You created or copied your Google Calendar booking link, opened your Loom video, and added the link in the description and comments so viewers can schedule in seconds. Thanks for watching and happy recording.